Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is day 2 of the V3 tutorial. I made a video 2 days ago about the text-to-video feature of V3 on Flow, the newest Google model. But today we're going to be using the frame-to-video, which is the image-to-video feature they offer. And I've seen some clips going viral using that. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find pictures, animate them using the V03 model. So let's get into Applause It. So, step number 1 is getting your first frame, and you have 2 options. The option 1 is getting a prompt from scratch and tap it on Leonardo AI. Or you can find an inspiration picture from a viral video, which what I'm going to do right now. So I found this picture. It's going to be our inspiration scene. So you go to ChatGPT and you upload that scene. Generate a prompt I can use on Leonardo AI to generate an inspired picture based on the example I showed. Okay, you copy and go to Leonardo AI. Click on Image, you paste the prompt in the prompt area. As for the model, you keep it as Fenix 1. 1. Prompt Enhancement Auto. Style, you can choose Dynamic or Creative. I'm going to keep it Dynamic. Contrast Medium or High. I'm going to keep it Medium. Quality if you can go Ultra or based on your subscription. And image dimension I'm going to use 1 by 1. I'm going to explain later why. And you can keep it for Close This and hit Generate. We got our results. You pick the perfect shot for you. I'm going to go with this one. You click Download Image. Now the next step, go back to ChatGPT. Upload the image you download. You download it from Leonardo AI. Generate an image to video prompts for this picture to go viral. The model I'll be using is Flow V3 frame to video feature. Okay, we got our animation prompt. We got our first frame. This is a disclaimer. You can adjust the details based on the story you want to tell in the video. This is just a demo on how to do so. Now, let's head to the view model. So there is something new I noticed is that you now can use it on Gemini. At the time I made the first video, this wasn't available. You can try it on Flow. But now if you go to Gemini, you will find the video feature featuring the view model, but we're going to use it the standard way. You click on Try and Flow. Click on Create with Flow. Click on New Project. And now you select from this tab the frames to video. You go to ChatGPT. You take your prompt and paste it right here. Here is the first frame that we got. You upload the photo way. Do not crop it. If you crop, it's going to zoom. So keep it this way. Click on Crop and Save. And you have the option for the last frame if you want to go super detailed. But for this video, we're going to start with the first frame and let the AI finish the last frame. You click on the settings. The output, you can select up to 4. I'm going to keep it for 1 right now. And click on Quality. Select Highest Quality Experimental Audio. And this is very important because you don't have to worry about the audio. The AI does everything. But if you want to add later on background sound of your choice, yes, you can. But for now, we're going to click on V3. Close this. Once everything is set, click on this arrow. All right, it took about 3 minutes to generate. Ready for the result? Hit and go. All right, so now that you get your video, we're not done. We need to make it for TikTok size. So you go to the page using the link in the description box. You click on Visit Clip Channel. Click on Create. TikTok Videos. Click Create TikTok Videos. Click on Create New Video. Click on Import Media and upload the video you generated using the V03 model. Click on Size, vertical 9:16. Drag and drop the video. And here you can just zoom like this to make it fit the frame. And now you have a TikTok size video, right? You can add as well some text, music, just like that. And you keep going. Scene 2, 3, 4, 5, and go on and create your own AI viral story. To export, you click on this button, select 1080 pixels. That is it for today's video. If you find it helpful, Please subscribe to our channel to support us and motivate us to make more videos like this.